Rana Plaza factory collapse, Bangladesh, 2013. The Rana Plaza factory collapse is one of the deadliest industrial disasters in history. The building housing garment factories in Dhaka, Bangladesh, collapsed, killing over 1,100 workers and injuring thousands. The incident drew global attention to unsafe working conditions in the garment industry. Triangle Shirtwaist Factory Fire, United States, 1911. The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire in New York City resulted in the deaths of 146 garment workers, mainly young immigrant women. The tragedy highlighted poor safety standards, locked exit doors, and inadequate fire safety measures in factories at the time. Chernobyl disaster, Ukraine, 1986. The Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion not only had severe environmental and health consequences but also resulted in the loss of many lives, including workers involved in the rescue and cleanup efforts. The incident underscored the hazards faced by workers in the nuclear industry. Bhopal gas tragedy, India, 1984. The Bhopal gas tragedy is considered one of the world's worst industrial disasters. A gas leak from a pesticide plant owned by Union Carbide resulted in the immediate deaths of thousands of people and long-term health effects. The incident exposed the lack of safety measures and inadequate emergency preparedness. Soma mine disaster, Turkey, 2014. The Soma mine disaster claimed the lives of 301 miners in Turkey. The incident was attributed to a combination of negligence, poor safety regulations, and lack of proper training and equipment for miners. It highlighted the dangerous working conditions prevalent in the mining industry. Upper Big Branch mine disaster, United States, 2010. The Upper Big Branch mine explosion in West Virginia resulted in the deaths of 29 coal miners. The incident was caused by a combination of safety violations, inadequate ventilation, and a buildup of methane gas. It exposed deficiencies in mine safety regulations and enforcement. Occupational asbestos exposure. Asbestos-related occupational diseases, such as mesothelioma and lung cancer, continue to pose a significant risk to workers worldwide. Many workers have been exposed to asbestos in industries such as construction, shipbuilding, and manufacturing, highlighting the need for strict regulations and proper protective measures. Foxconn suicides, China, 2010. The Foxconn suicides drew attention to the working conditions in electronics manufacturing. A series of worker suicides at Foxconn factories in China raised concerns about long working hours, low wages, and poor mental health support for employees. Occupational silicosis. Silicosis is a lung disease caused by long-term exposure to silica dust in industries such as mining, construction, and manufacturing. Workers inhaling silica particles face a high risk of developing this debilitating disease, emphasizing the need for improved safety measures and dust control. Building construction accidents. Building construction sites are often associated with hazardous working conditions. Accidents such as collapses, falls from heights, and equipment failures pose significant risks to construction workers globally. These incidents highlight the importance of proper training, safety protocols, and enforcement of regulations. Addressing unsafe working conditions requires a multifaceted approach involving governments, employers, workers' organizations, and international bodies. It involves implementing and enforcing stringent safety regulations, providing adequate training and protective equipment, ensuring fair wages and working hours, and fostering a culture of workplace safety. Protecting workers' rights and well-being is crucial for a sustainable and equitable global workforce.